Unraveling the phrase, rolling into surgery. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're diving into a specific phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or perhaps in real-life conversations: rolling into surgery. It's a phrase that's rich in meaning and context. And by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how and when to use it. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase, rolling into surgery. At first glance, it might conjure up images of movement, perhaps even a sense of urgency. And you wouldn't be wrong. This phrase is often used in medical contexts to describe the action of moving a patient into the surgery room where they will undergo a surgical procedure. The word, rolling, here is quite literal. Patients are typically transported on a wheeled bed or gurney, making the action of moving them into the surgery room akin to rolling. It captures both the physical action and the anticipatory atmosphere of the moment before a surgical procedure begins. Understanding the phrase's usage is crucial for grasping its full meaning. Rolling into surgery is not just about the action itself but also about the context in which it is used. It implies a level of preparation and readiness, both on the part of the medical team and the patient. This phrase can convey a range of emotions, from anxiety and fear to relief and hope, depending on the situation. Moreover, this phrase is a great example of how English uses vivid imagery to describe actions. The use of rolling brings a dynamic quality to the phrase, making it more evocative and easier to visualize. While primarily used in medical contexts, the phrase, rolling into surgery, can also be found in everyday English, often metaphorically. For example, someone might say they're rolling into a challenging situation or a difficult task, borrowing the sense of entering into something significant or daunting. This figurative use maintains the original sense of movement and transition but applies it to non-medical scenarios. And there you have it. You now understand the phrase, rolling into surgery, its literal meaning, the context in which it's used, and even its metaphorical applications. English is full of phrases that paint vivid pictures of our experiences, and rolling into surgery is a perfect example of this. We hope you found this exploration insightful and that it adds a new layer to your understanding of English. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more English language insights in our next video.